How to clear a queue on Spotify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your queue on Spotify. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over and open any song. So once you do so, you'll be able to see this hamburger icon here at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see your queue, all of the songs that are next. For example, right after this song finishes, this song will be played. If you want to rearrange them, you can simply long press on these three horizontal lines and then you can simply drag and drop it anywhere you want in the list. So now let's say you want to remove this song from queue. All you need to do is simply swipe this specific song to the left. Once you do so, you'll be able to see that that song has been cleared from this queue. And just like that, you can keep on doing that for every song you don't want in your queue. And that is how you can clear your queue on Spotify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.